62 minus 4 by 7. I've seen many students, they multiply 62 and 7, subtract 4 and take 7 as denominator. This method takes a lot of time in competitive exam. Instead, write 62 as 61 plus 1. Now focus on 1 minus 4 by 7. This will become 7 minus 4 by 7. So you get 61 plus 3 by 7, which is 61 3 by 7. Now what if instead of 4 you have 19? In that case, split 62 as 59 plus 3. So 7 into 3 will be 21 minus 19. (59) 2 by 7. That means according to this numerator, you need to break the integer value such that you get the solution in the fastest way possible.